For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. It is to be powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. Our colleagues on the other side were watching Orlando Pirates. Apparently, there was 100,000 chances there. We were watching Siwele and Kaiser Chiefs, and on a Wednesday evening, I saw very sad faces at the end of that game because a lot of people have to travel, a lot of people have to pay their money to go to the stadium. The least they expect is at least for their club to score goals. It's been 3 consecutive 0-0 score lines for Kaiser Chiefs, including tonight's game. For whatever the great start or the good start on results they had at the beginning of the season, there is a decline that is starting to show itself. It was 0-0 in Africa, it's 0-0 tonight. They have to somehow score a goal in Africa this weekend. Junior Kanye, my analyst, what did you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir. Jasa?
Ngibulisa team yami umntanela sinamba ngibulisa ubobzini ulindo phepha utsofila kazushini bafethu kunjani keep on supporting it CTV fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yazi mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi how they train Chiefs. Yazi why ngifuna ukwazi training ngifuna ukubona ngifuna ukuye training yabo training session Chiefs. You know why I am asking this? Also seeing the physical trainer. I see players getting injured each and every game. Namhla uma iphume ngamstring. Monyane uhleli I think if not be 2 months almost. Lo mfana lo uDotli is injured as we speak. Ama injury amaningi question indlela i-team trainer ngayo. That's why ngithi ngifuna ukuhamba nje ke ngiyobona i-training yabo ngibabheke ukuthi how they train. And secondly a physical trainer ukuthi ba trainer kanjani mabayinika. Going to the game. I think compliment to CMA for assemble the team. I know ukuthi thatha isikhathi upon the team SuperSport United akusikizi uku-assemble team. Obvious bekumele there are some players beba nama contract bekumele amanye ahlala amanye ahambe. You need to pay players if you're going to get rid of them. Also Stan Matthews, Andre Arendse was there, but since has taken over angikhulume ngama game ayi2 game 1 le ayiwinile nale game le asikhulume ngale game ePirates 3. The game plan today I think it works very well. Starting on the midfield, I think got it right. Ukudlala ngoMagaman nalengwenye Mukwani. Very well, I think minu ama baspana bachita. Also compliment this guy Magaman Moffat is a ball player. Ukwazi kuzenza zoyi2. A very clever player, but umdlalisa too deep. I think if begam push more forward kunento bekazoyithola. Yes, I know coming to the game, we were check ukuthi I'm playing away. Ngoba Chiefs nabo, we can say as much as we can. But they never dominated the game. Their chances, Chiefs, I think Ulbuisilum too got the chance. Second half, Batoli 2, Nkulmanga first half from 2, that's the only chance. Second half, I think Batoli 2. Critical phase of the game, Skumanga first half, you will never dominate a game without 2 midfielders, whereby Oiwan Nkulmanga Mtecho. Middle, there's traffic. Every time you receive a ball, there's somebody next to you. You must know that. You will never receive the ball and 10 ube 1. There's no way. And then was between the two of them. Who's playing in front of between two? Because I'm confused. I know who to the defensive midfield this commentator, but today I was confused. Both of them they were running side to side, forward when they go forward, they go back. Both of them, but cautious maba pambil. But who's playing defensive midfield? Mangiti ubano tali defensive midfield. I'm saying it is my build up at the back. Ngifuna ukubona this guy going and fetch the ball. Not good passer always. I see him Mteto always when Chiefs got the ball. I don't see him Mteto fetching the ball. Umuntu ongalandi the ball. So I don't care about routine. That's my understanding anyway. Observation when I see Chiefs, I think that's abantu abalazi ibhola they will understand me. With the Chiefs they don't have a special player ku midfield. Ngikhuluma nge defensive midfield. Secondly, number 8 wabo this guy Mteto. I think kube nama expectations. But Mteto is playing too safe. I mean to say Cele. He's playing too safe. I don't think they can play ngomuntu njengoCele lapha na kule position Chiefs le mangabe udlala ngomthetho you need a player like Mbule, which is Mbule udlala ku Pirates. Sengisho ukuthi similar type of player. There's no way ngichaza ukuthi there was no way Kaizer Chiefs can dominate this game. They came to this game badlale ngeside 31 ile side leli la Froster. Same as usema what did the game plan was the same. Badlala ngale side Chiefs bulele side le la right. They attack on the left hand side, on the right hand side, which is Froster. No, CMI did exactly that. Attack on Ulungu, Opule, Begna this guy, Umukhwane, I think Umagaman in front of Pule, and then this guy was like half winger. Because there was no right winger who sacrificed it. He wanted to i-team yakhe be-compact in the midfield bekangafunda ipace and he did very well, but I believe useyama and I advise if bekana two wingers, maybe second half come, there was a chance for him winning this game because he created chances. Ngoba now you the chance first half, poor from Owizwe. Good ball from Mulungu Lubuyisile. I think they brought two square pass, but it's two abana number boxing. Limtholile one. But poor, not convincing. Ile ball ecishe lafanakala ngumdungu ngoba lizene nge square pass. I-Chiefs nayo mawungabheka always they were attacking the side like right. Always Froster coming with these square passes. But nabo they didn't have a number nguleko. But that's why it's Amatex to more or less the same. Second half, I know Usema came, brought this guy. I think he brought Usaile. He brought Ubanu Paleti. Usema changed the dimension of the game. He brought speed, very arrogant on the ball. Decision making last third. If decision making can be right because we hate the Chiefs.
Now let's sacrifice a number.
Ngisho kanjalo didn't have number ngiyada.
Yeah.
Yabo. Angazi, that's why he got everything right in terms of tactically and stuff. But offensively, will questionable corner. Because I believe me,
there was an opportunity as well for Usiyama because Umayo Magalala pants hamstring.
Yes.
It leaves because there was 5 minutes added on as well.
Yeah.
So around 84, 85,
Yeah.
we are Pumayo. That means Chiefs are 10 men down.
Yeah.
That means you have a full 10 minutes where you can add one more player going forward.
Yeah.
And that was the opportunity for Isuwelele. If their technical team, Abo Pasera,
Yes.
could notice that and add one more player going forward.
Yeah, and I was happy to keep the position. Yabo udlaling a counter. Yes, good. Magaman Mokwane. I think now Temaga Katala. He brought, I think, this guy Moralo.
Yeah, Khapo Moralo.
Khapo Moralo in the middle of this project school of excellence, technically very good. Begang Chelu Kevin, Uslang with the player lab. Ngonang technique, understanding a game. Bigman Abumkali, I'm fan. Young understander for me, Bigman Abukali, I know Magaman. He balance a game, be more balance. Because defensively got it right in the midfield. She didn't do nothing. But in terms of Nkulmanga offensive, Gulanga Sanga offensive corner. Wabagang I hate it is more central. Upotsane, I think become 7 come defensively. He must come and track back today, as usual. Sacrifice it. Yes, it got it right. It's me a grand. But he deserve a game in nil. If you can be honest.
Yeah.
But now much chance I to achieves the critical
At the
phase of the
beginning
game.
of the second half.
Yes, now. But even this guy now, which is Spoon, different players since Nabi has left. Azanga be wow, vele. Azanga be ngwenye. But a different player. Lela pola lela nkule shy target.
Do you understand why he was on the bench? Because normally unoqala game namhlanje on the right hand side I think it was Mfundo Vilakazi. Do you understand why Claude Lepo is on the bench?
Ngicela ukuphendula naka Mfundo. I don't think the boy is a winger. And the people need to understand Mfundo can't carry Chiefs now. Yes, he can't. Chiefs is a big team. He's got the talent, the boy. Ngihlale ngisho mina he can't carry Chiefs now. Not now. Under 20 Mfundo different. It's a different environment. Which under 20 ngizoyiphendula le kalo mchitha lokuthi uqale ngaphandle. Umfundo, all I'm saying, Umfundo, the coach, yes, umdlalise in the wrong. Melabo number 10. Umdube kumele kuyena on the wing, probably. Or kuyena this guy uDuba. This guy bamdlalisa number 10. But even no matter like number 10, he can't carry Chiefs. Lapha, you need a player. That's why Ulindo mentioned something very important. I think last month ukuthi ama team South Africa makhulu abo number 10. I'm a senior player or player international ngikhuluma ngabo Ribeiro.
Yeah.
Serino. It's true because you need to play much hot umuntu ozokera. A big heart player. Yabo. So akhona ama player amancane njengabo Borile is not a similar type of Borile yena umfundo. Akusila uma type. So he can't carry Chiefs une talente. He can't carry Chiefs. Starting kulo mjita lo on the bench Ulepo. He has dropped. He has dropped, honestly.
Now, on the wing, you had Duba. One of the wides, Beguno Duba, one of the wides, Beguno Vilagaz. Now, Njengo Bangena Ulilep, it's not special.
Yeah.
But already within 5 minutes, Yaboni Suguti, this is how you play a wing. Because you create your opportunity, you should have scored that opportunity.
Yeah.
So it doesn't make sense. Even Oserino actually being on the bench, Maumfaga, within 5 minutes, he shows you that this is how it looks like to play number 10.
Yeah, true. I rather vele ngimcale mina akekho akusi drop. Akusi wow noma bekafika bengasi one of the best international player they brought yena uLepo, but kunokuthi ngicale ngoDuba I'd rather start with him because uDuba is more of Bamchita nini is a striker. I want to find out why is winning a starting 11. Ile situation yakhe no Modi. That's why ngisho ngithi omunye umuntu might think ukuthi after them or against them, but when you mangabu team sheet always just show on the field as usual. This guy had 2 chances. Shot off target. Actually on target, off target.
Yeah.
Two 5 minutes bowubona ukuthi what he can do, run behind the defense.
Yeah.
But this guy uDuba ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi he started there. Ukuphendula Nkululeko mina bengacala ngaye noma ngabe akekho right yena uliye, because Duba he must fight lapha ku central striker. Mangaba kayenzi kahle nakhona sit on the stand, simple. But none other than that, it deserve a draw.
Yeah, let me wrap it up. Mr. Justice is giving us a time indicator.
Yeah.
We saw Ikotaro as well. I don't know if we've seen him before with Chiefs. What do you see? What are they asking him to do up front?
Yeah, one abo Ecuador abantu aba good aerially. I can't rely on striking a good aerial. I can't rely. I want Reyners, man. Honestly, for me, I will single out this guy Reyners. Yabo nalo mabasa le Pirates. I want a striker who's good on the field and also good aerially. A striker who create space for himself. Yes, Ecuador, Mama Mbisile is like Uchivavaro. For me, it's similar. I'm not different for me. There's nothing that will help you. Ngayo. Yes, kumpasa a finish ama in or bampasa enhloko a finish. That you'll get, but it's surrounding a cheese as well. You will never see the best of him. I see one of the best strikers that Chiefs has brought, because if I know Chivavaro, inte one similar. Nababo Silva inte one. Though obvious a bit mhlambe u better in enhloko nyana Silva, not much of him ngamboni. But ukuphendula, this guy, Chivavaro, there's nothing that will give Kaizer Chiefs. Today became a center back, extra center back for Usiema.
Right.
No movement, nothing. Yeah, I deserve a draw for me.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. That was a draw between Kaizer Chiefs and Siwelele. Sometimes we call them Celtic, but they are still Siwelele. One thing I would love to learn from Coach Siema, we are people of learning. And people in the process of learning. You pick up different things from different coaches. He played Orlando Pirates, he lost 1-0 last minute. He played them again, he lost again 1-0 last minute. It was a beautiful goal by Umbogazi. But to see him in this game as well, it's 0-0. He plays these big teams 3 times. And he does one thing in all of those matches. He kills the possibility of spaces in the midfield. He forces those big teams to go wide. He literally tells them, there's no, you're going to traffic cop in the midfield.
Yes.
You're just going to have to go wide. And they do that. They can't break him. And I would love to be in that training session. For us young coaches, all of us who are interested in football, just go to him. Don't learn anything else. Just say, I just want to see how you do that in terms of setting up your training sessions and your drills as well. And then with another coach, you can learn something else. And with other coaches, Aborulani, you learn something else. So you pick up all of these things from these coaches, and then all of a sudden, you have something special. You learn set pieces from other coaches. You learn how to play from other coaches. But Coach Siema, what he's done in this season with against these big teams, he's done something. He stifled them. He killed the possibility for them to play. Of course, it sacrifices something. It means he's not going to be creative even himself, because he's asking his midfielders to be a little bit deep. So that was very interesting in all of these 3 matches that he's played against these big teams. Pirates twice and Kaizer Chiefs tonight. And he did it successfully. It is good times was suspecting.
Shapunjan bafowethu ikamala Mulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafetu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Diski TV.